Hey everyone, and welcome to this Honeybook tutorial for beginners. In this video, I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know to get started with Honeybook, including what it is, its features, how to create an account, and how to use some of its basic tools. To get started, visit the Honeybook website. Honeybook is a business management platform that helps freelancers and small businesses streamline their workflows, automate tasks, and get paid faster. It offers a variety of features, including proposals. Create and send professional proposals to potential clients. Contracts. Collect signatures on contracts electronically. Invoice. Send invoices and collect payments online. Scheduling. Book appointments and manage your calendar. Communication. Send and receive emails and messages with clients. Automations. Set up automated tasks to save time. Honeybook also offers a variety of integrations with other popular business tools such as QuickBooks, Calendly, and Zapier. This makes it easy to keep your client data organized and up to date. Honeybook is a popular choice for businesses of all sizes, from freelancers to small businesses. It is easy to use and offers a variety of features that can help you save time and streamline your client workflow. Here are some of the benefits of using Honeybook. Save time. Honeybook automates many of the tasks involved in client management, such as sending proposals, contracts, and invoices. This frees up your time so you can focus on your business. Streamline your workflow. Honeybook helps you keep all of your client data organized in one place. This makes it easy to track your interactions with clients and manage your projects. Professionalize your business. Honeybook provides you with the tools you need to create a professional experience for your clients. This includes templates for proposals, contracts, and invoices, as well as the ability to collect signatures electronically. Get paid faster. Honeybook makes it easy for your clients to pay you online. This can help you improve your cash flow and reduce the amount of time you spend chasing payments. To log into Honeybook, simply go to honeybook.com and on the right top click on Login button. Now we are on Login page. Enter your email address and password. If you don't have an account yet, you can create one for free. For Create the account, click on Create One. And put your required detail. Enter your name, email, and password. Now click on Continue button. So now enter business name, company type, phone number, how did you hear about us? And click on Start 7 Days Trial. When you log into Honeybook, you'll be taken to your intro dashboard. This dashboard gives you a quick overview of your upcoming projects, tasks, and deadlines. You can also see a list of your recent leads, clients, and projects. New project. Start a new project, big or small, with just a few clicks. New client. Add new clients to your database with ease. New Smart. File store all your important files in one place, organized and easy to find. New Invoice. Create and send invoices to clients with just a few clicks. New Contract. Protect yourself and your clients with digital contracts. Dashboard. Home. Your Honeybook hub for everything business, projects, tasks, invoices, and more. Projects. Manage your business by client instead of project. See all of your contacts in one place, including client and lead views. Click on any client or lead to access the client workspace, where you can view and create projects, send files, and manage communication for every client. Contacts. Store all your client and contact information in one place, and send custom proposals, contracts, and invoices with ease. Tools. A suite of tools to help you run your business more efficiently, including email marketing, project management, and invoicing. Essentials: My Templates. Create and save custom templates for proposals, contracts, invoices, and other documents. Library. Store and manage all of your business documents, including contracts, proposals, invoices, receipts, and more. Automations. Automate repetitive tasks, such as sending follow-up emails to clients, generating invoices, and scheduling appointments. Calendar. Schedule appointments, manage projects, track deadlines, and send invoices. Productivity. Scheduler. Book appointments, send reminders, and sync with other calendars. Tasks. Track your to-do list, manage workload, and assign tasks to team members. Time tracker. Track time spent on tasks and projects, generate reports, and invoice clients. Template gallery. Save time with pre-made templates for proposals, contracts, invoices, and more. Finance. Generate detailed reports, accept online payments, track expenses, and get a real-time view of your financial performance. Reports. Generate reports about your business, such as sales reports, expense reports, and project reports. Invoices. Create and send invoices to clients. Payments. Accept payments from clients online. Expenses. Track your business expenses. Profit and loss. Generate a profit and loss statement to see how your business is performing. Lead capture. Collect contact information from potential clients and manage your sales objects. Lead forms. Create and publish custom lead forms to capture leads and generate inquiries. Contact form. Create a simple contact form for your website that allows visitors to get in touch with you. Chrome extension. Add a Honeybook button to your Chrome browser to easily access your Honeybook account and create new projects from anywhere. Batch emails. Send personalized emails to multiple clients at once. Pricing. Honeybook offers a variety of pricing plans to fit the needs of businesses of all sizes. First package starter. Start with everything you need to create great client experiences. Price $8. Second package Essentials. Grow with added productivity and automation tools. Price $16. Third package Premium. Start with everything you need to create great client experiences. Price $33. Now that we've covered the basics of Honeybook, let's take a look at how to use some of its key features. Creating a project. To create a project in Honeybook, simply click on the Create Project button in the Intro dashboard. You'll then be asked to enter some basic information about the project, such as the client name, project type, and start and end dates, or time zone. Click on Create Project button. Now new project is created. That's just a short overview of how to use Honeybook. Thanks for watching.